All right, we're going to show you the LINQ Color Visualized workflow. This is on an iPad. We'll go ahead and touch Rapid Match. We'll select our reading here, which will be a Nissan Color K23 Silver Ice. We entered the color code information. We'll go ahead and hit Continue. What this is going to do is it's going to search the database for what it thinks is the best color match based on what was scanned with a Digimatch spectrophotometer. We can move this tile all around and take a look at the color comparison. The target on the left is what we shot with the camera, and the target on the right is what the database thinks is the best color match. We can move this again up and down and take a look at the face. We can look at the flash, the flop, and my favorite, we can take it outside and look at it in a simulated sunlit environment. And then let's say we decide to select that formula. We can go right to the mix screen by selecting formula. And it hops right to our formula where we can mix products.